Hi student, today we are going to study. Now we have to see methods of preparation of ether. In that we have to see three types of preparation. First, from alcohol. That reaction we call as intermolecular dehydration. First, from alcohol. It is also called as intermolecular dehydration. Second reaction, from alkyl halide. It is called as Williamson synthesis. Second reaction, from alkyl halide we also called as Williamson synthesis. And last reaction, from alcohol and diazomethane. We have to see first preparation, that is from alcohol. The reaction we called as intermolecular dehydration. In that alcohol molecule, two molecules of alcohol reacts at 413 Kelvin temperature with concentrated H2SO4, and that OH from one group of ethyl alcohol and H from second group of ethyl alcohol is removed from the reaction, and we get remaining compound as C2H5O C2H5 from ethyl alcohol by using concentrated H2SO4 as the catalyst. This is the general reaction. Next, this is an experimental reaction. Experimental reaction. In that, first molecule of C2H5OH is reacts with H2SO4. We written here HOSO3H, that is H2SO4, and that OH from alcohol and hydrogen from H2SO4 we remove. Remaining molecules we are getting C2H5O SO3H, that is ethyl hydrogen sulfate. This ethyl hydrogen sulfate again reacts with second molecule of alcohol at 413 Kelvin temperature, and we get again this compound and hydrogen from second compound is removed, and remaining compound join. We are getting C2H5O C2H5 and H2SO4 we recovered at the last. C2H5O C2H5, that is diethyl ether. This is your products. Second preparation you have to see from alkyl halide. Reaction we called as Williamson synthesis. In that, sodium alkoxide reacts with alkyl halide with concentrated H2SO4. We are getting ether. In that reaction, sodium alkoxide reacts with alkyl halide. In that, Na from sodium alkoxide and X from alkyl halide is removed, and remaining group joining we are getting ROR and NaX by heating the reaction with concentrated H2SO4. Example, suppose we are taken here CH3O Na, that is sodium methoxide, and methyl chloride heated with each other with concentrated H2SO4 we are getting Na and Cl removed from the reaction, and remaining compound join we are getting CH3O CH3 and NaCl, that is dimethyl ether we are obtained from the compound. In second example, we obtained unsymmetrical ether here by using sodium ethoxide and methyl bromide heated in presence of concentrated H2SO4 we are getting C2H5O CH3, that is ethyl methyl ether. With NaBr. Now you have to see last preparation of ether from alcohol and diazomethane. We are using CH2N2, that is diazomethane, ROH, that is alcohol, heated with each other in presence of HBF, that is fluoroboric acid. We are getting ROCH3 by removal of N2 from the reaction and hydrogen with CH2, we are getting CH3. Attached with oxygen, that is we are getting ROCH3. We have to see in example, methyl alcohol heated with diazomethane in presence of fluoroboric acid, we are getting CH3OCH3. In second example, we are taken here propyl alcohol heated with diazomethane in presence of fluoroboric acid, we are getting C3H7OCH3. That is methyl propyl ether we are obtaining. In that reaction, we are getting CH3, CH3, CH3. One side of ether is CH3, and because of that we called as methylation of alcohol.